Let's do it one more time. Separation of church and state,
Separation of church and state
is not separation of God from government.
is not separation of God from government.
You see it? You see the truth and the lie? Because if they can get you to think that separation of church and state means you can't talk about God in the public square or before a legislative session or before a football game or any place you want to talk about God, if they could get you to separate there, then what they've done is kick out the very first presupposition of American law and government. Remember, which was, there is a God, our rights come from him. If they could intimidate you out of that, if every time you say God, they go, separation of church and state, and you go, oh, and you back off of that, and you get intimidated out of that, and you back down, and you don't talk about God as the author of law and government, then they have kicked out the very foundation on which you could stand to argue that you have rights. Because if there's no God and he's not connected to government, then there's no basis for you to claim that you even have rights, much less that you could defend them. Do you see that? It's so very important. That is a huge lie.